Hello everybody. In this unit we are going to use ratios to convert measurement units. Our first example is 10 cups equals how many pints? The first thing I'm going to do is set up my equivalent ratio. And on this side I'm going to put 10 cups. And then I'm going to put pints down here. And then I need to know my conversion factor. My conversion factor I look up on my chart is 2 cups equals 1 pint. And that's my conversion factor. And then I'm going to plug in my conversion factor into my equivalent ratio. So I have 2 cups up here. And I have 1 pint down here. Okay, and then I'm going to solve. I can either cross multiply or look for other methods that we've been using. So I'm going to cross multiply on this one, and I'm going to say 10 times 1 equals 10, and then I'm going to divide 10 by 2, which equals 5, and that is going to go right here at 5 pints. In our next example, we're looking to see 3 meters equals how many centimeters. My first step is draw the equivalent ratio, 3 meters, and then we're looking for how many centimeters. Then I'm going to look at my conversion chart, and on my conversion chart it says 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. This is my conversion factor, and I'm going to plug that into my equivalent ratio. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, making sure that all of my labels match. Centimeters was on the bottom. Now I'm going to cross multiply. 3 times 100 equals 300. And then I did not use the 1, and I'm going to do 300 divided by 1 equals 300, and therefore 3 meters equals 300 centimeters. Here is our last example. 72 feet equals how many yards? Once again, I'm going to set up my equivalent ratio. 72 feet on top. We'll do yards on the bottom. I will then look up my conversion factor, and my conversion factor says 1 yard equals 3 feet. So then I'm going to plug in my conversion factor, making sure I match up my labels, and I'm going to have 3 feet on top and 1 yard on the bottom. I will then cross multiply 72 times 1, which equals 72, and then divide 72 divided by 3, which will give me 24, and therefore 72 feet equals 24 yards.